Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about guest room decorating ideas to help you create a warm, inviting, and stylish space for your visitors. Whether you have a dedicated guest bedroom or just a small area to accommodate guests, these tips will make your space feel like a home away from home. Choose a neutral and welcoming color palette. The first step to designing a cozy guest room is selecting a soothing color palette. Soft neutrals like beige, light gray, and warm whites create a calming atmosphere. You can also add subtle pops of color through decor items like pillows, artwork, and accent furniture. Soft blues, greens, or muted pastels work well for creating a serene ambiance. Invest in a comfortable bed. Your guests' comfort is key, so invest in a good quality mattress and soft bedding. If you don't have a full-sized guest bed, a quality sofa bed, or a daybed with a trundle can be great alternatives. Layering the bed with plush pillows, cozy blankets, and breathable sheets will make it extra inviting. Adding a cushioned headboard or stylish upholstered bed frame can make the room feel more luxurious. Don't forget to have an assortment of the pillows in different firmness levels to cater to your guests' preferences. Provide storage and closet space. Even if your guest room is small, make sure there's space for visitors to store their belongings. A small dresser, bedside table with drawers, or a clothing rack with hangers can make a big difference. If you have a closet, leave some empty hangers and a bit of space for your guests' luggage. A stylish storage bench or an ottoman with hidden storage at the foot of the bed is another great way to provide extra storage without taking up too much space. Layer cozy textiles. Textiles play a big role in making a guest room feel warm and inviting. Use soft, high-quality sheets, a fluffy duvet, and a variety of throw blankets. Adding an area rug can instantly warm up the space and create a cozy feel. Opt for blackout curtains or layered window treatments so guests can control the light levels, ensuring a restful sleep. If your guest room doubles as a home office or other space, a simple curtain divider can add privacy. Add thoughtful touches. The little details can make a big difference in making guests feel welcome. Consider adding a small tray with water bottles, snacks, and a note with Wi-Fi details, a bedside lamp for reading and soft lighting, a charging station with extra USB cables for phones and tablets, a scented candle or essential oil diffuser for a relaxing ambiance, a small selection of books and magazines for entertainment. A fresh vase of flowers or greenery can also add a touch of hospitality and charm. Include functional furniture. If space allows, consider adding a small seating area, such as a cozy armchair with a side table, so guests have a place to relax other than the bed. A writing desk or vanity can be a great addition for guests who may need to work or get ready comfortably. Multifunctional furniture, like a foldable desk or a nesting table set, can provide practicality without taking up too much space. Use stylish and inviting decor. Creating a stylish and inviting guest room doesn't mean filling the space with unnecessary items. Instead, focus on simple yet elegant decor that enhances comfort and warmth. Consider adding framed artwork or a gallery wall with calming prints to create a soothing atmosphere. Mirrors are a great addition, as they reflect light and make the space feel larger. Decorative throw pillows and a stylish area rug can add texture and coziness, while a beautiful bedside lamp or pendant light provides both functionality and ambiance. If you have extra wall space, floating shelves can be a great way to display decorative pieces, books, or framed family photos, adding a personal and welcoming touch to the room. Offer convenience and accessibility. Think about what your guests might need during their stay. A luggage rack, a basket with extra towels and toiletries, and a small mirror can be useful additions. If your guest room has an ensuite bathroom, make sure to stock it with fresh towels, shampoo, conditioner, and other essentials. If space is limited, a foldable luggage rack can be easily stored when not in use, but provides a convenient place for guests to unpack their suitcases. Create a relaxing ambiance. Lighting is key in making the guest room feel inviting. A combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting will help create the right mood. Soft bedside lamps, wall sconces, and warm-toned LED bulbs can enhance the cozy feel of the room. Adding a sound machine or a small Bluetooth speaker with relaxing music options can also contribute to a peaceful environment for your guests. Seasonal updates and freshness. If you frequently have guests, consider updating the decor seasonally. Lighter bedding and floral accents in spring and summer, and warm blankets with cozy textures in fall and winter can make your guest room feel current and well cared for. Keep the space clean and clutter-free, and air it out regularly to keep it feeling fresh. A subtle air freshener or linen spray can add a nice touch, bringing it all together. A well-designed guest room should feel welcoming, comfortable, and practical. By focusing on comfort, storage, and thoughtful decor, you can create a space where guests feel truly at home. That's it for today's guest room decorating ideas. I hope these tips inspire you to create a cozy and stylish space for your visitors. Let me know in the comments which idea you love the most. See you in the next video! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.